Well, here we are at 4:20, and just like normal, like every other night for months and months, Lucy got hiccups. You're not going to do it now? Have we got rid of them? Oh, there we go. You're not... Oh. But this morning he's gone outside, whereas normally he had them in Mummy's tummy.